Good morning, everyone, and Buarini. Today, our group will be presenting a topic titled The Futuristic Farm That Will Feed the World based on a video by Freethink, The Future of the Food. Also, this is the member of the group from me, Salsabilla Prima, Fadilah, Ninggar, Dhia, and Angelina. Alright, so this topic is very important because the world is facing several global challenges. First, climate change that causes extreme weather and affects crop production. Second, the world population continues to grow, so more food is needed. Third, consumers want food that is healthier, safer, and more sustainable. Finally, resources such as water, land, energy, and labor are becoming more limited. Because of these challenges, we need to find ways to produce more food with fewer resources. The Netherlands answered this challenge through efficiency, technology, and also collaboration. The Netherlands is known as the second largest food exporter in the world after the United States. One of their main goals is to produce twice as much food while using half of their resources. They achieve this through continuous innovations in agriculture technology and sustainable farming practices. They also use advanced infrastructure such as high-tech greenhouse, smart farming systems, and efficient logistics. In addition, they actively collaborate with researchers, farmers, and other countries to improve their global food security.
Thank you, Salsa. I'm Dhia, and I'll talk about how the Netherlands produces more food with fewer resources. The chick-tech greenhouse are the best example. In open fields, tomatoes yield only 4 kg per square meter, but in a Dutch greenhouse that jumps to 80 kilograms, that's 20 times more output using 4 times less water. How? Everything is controlled. Temperature, humidity, carbon dioxide, and LED lighting, constantly optimized. This is what maximum output, minimum input really looks like.
Thank you, Salsa and Dia. The next technology and artificial intelligence in agriculture. The development of technology and artificial intelligence, or AI, has significantly transformed the agriculture sector. The innovations helps farmers improve efficiency, productivity, and sustainability in food productions. The first, drone for pest control. Second, smart LED lighting is used to optimize plant growth. And third, AI-based monitoring system. Furthermore, automatic decision-making system and precision farming for maximum efficiency. In conclusion, the application of technology and AI in agriculture is essential to address global challenges such as increasing food demand and limited resources.
Thank you, Salsa, Dia, and Angel. Now I will continue by discussing whether Indonesia can apply these technologies. Indonesia has a great opportunity to apply smart farming technology. According to the journal, greenhouse farming can improve efficiency and increase food production. No, IoT and AI technology are already used in agriculture to monitor temperature, humidity, soil moisture, irrigation, and fertilization automatically. This technology helps farmers manage farming activities more efficiently. In addition, Indonesia has a tropical climate that supports agriculture throughout the year. Therefore, Indonesia has strong potential to gradually adopt sustainable agricultural technologies. Thank you, Salsa Dia.
Next, I will explain can Indonesia applying this agriculture technology taking into account the challenges it will face. Indonesia can adopt some of these technologies because it has strong agricultural potential, growing digital technology, and government support. However, there are challenges including high investment costs, limited access to technology, inadequate infrastructure, and the need for farmers training. Therefore, the technology should be adapted gradually and adapted to the local condition. With proper support, Indonesia can improve productivity, sustainability, and food security in the future. Next, I will explain can Indonesia applying this agriculture technology taking into account the challenges it will. So the conclusion of this presentation is that modern agricultural technology such as greenhouse, AI, IoT, drones, and precision farming can boost productivity and improve resource efficiency. Indonesia has great potential to adopt this technology, although it still faces challenges such as investment costs, access to technology, infrastructure, and farmer training. Therefore, Their implementation needs to be carried out gradually in line with local conditions to support sustainable food security. So, the conclusion of this presentation is that modern agricultural technology such as greenhouse, AI, IoT, drones, and precision farming can boost productivity and improve. So that concludes our group's presentation, and we hope this information will be useful to you all. Thank you for watching. So that concludes our group's presentation, and we hope this information will be useful to you all. Thank you for watching. So that concludes our group's presentation, and we hope this information will be useful to you all. Thank you for watching. So that concludes our group's presentation, and we hope this information will be useful to you all. Thank you.